Good morning, Devin. Good morning. How do you make a sound of the kitty? That's the dinosaur. Where's the kitty? Good boy. Where's the cow? Moo. Where's the doggy? Where's the dinosaur? And where's the kitty? Good boy. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Love you.